This young adolescent novel, even though it is fictitious, is a moving and touching story about the Holocaust. This novel is so effective because the reader is in Bruno's young and naive mind. We as readers can only see, hear, and understand what Bruno can see, hear, and understand. It gives the reader an innocent yet heartbreaking experience because we as readers know what is happening. We can infer from Bruno's dialogue that his father has moved the family to a concentration camp. Readers can understand by drawing upon their background knowledge of the subject why the Jews on the other side of the fence are starting to go missing. While readers are limited by the amount of information being provided by Bruno's youth, the novel itself raises complex emotional issues of evil and the Holocaust, and even raises moral questions about the nature of man. Such complex issues can create great moral discussions. While Bruno's youth and naivety is what makes this novel so moving and effective, it is also a limiting factor because the readers are fed incorrect details due to the youth of the narrator. For example, when Bruno continuously calls the place Outwith, even though he is corrected several times by parents and adult figures and even his sister, he continues to call the concentration camp Outwith, even though it is supposed to be pronounced as Auschwitz. The intended audience for this book is aimed at middle school adolescent boys, since the narrator is a young boy. Male students would be able to connect better with the character and the text because of this. This book is also aimed at students who are also very interested in the Holocaust and in gaining a different perspective about it. Other texts that are relatable to The Boy in the Striped Pajamas are Night by Elie Wiesel, The Devil's Arithmetic by Jane Yolen, and The Diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank.